Are you finding yourself trapped in the endless cycle of manual attendance tracking? Spending countless hours shuffling through papers, managing endless spreadsheets, and still feeling overwhelmed? It's time for a change. Imagine a world where attendance management is not a time-consuming chore, but a seamless, automated process. Say goodbye to the timesheets and embrace the future with Sanus. By integrating with Google Calendar and Zoom, Sanus transforms how you manage attendance, freeing you from the mundane so you can focus on what truly matters, driving your business forward. In today's fast-paced business landscape, focusing on productivity is more important than ever. But how can you ensure that your team's efforts are truly productive? With Sanus, the answer lies in the data. By leveraging data from Zoom, you gain a comprehensive understanding of actual work patterns. It's not just about tracking attendance. It's about analyzing how your team collaborates, how meetings are conducted, and where improvements can be made. Sanus provides the insights you need to identify inefficiencies and unlock your team's full potential, allowing you to foster a culture of productivity that drives results. Burnout is a silent productivity killer, creeping up on employees and impacting their performance before anyone realizes it. But with Sanus, you can stay ahead of the curve. By analyzing data from Zoom and Google Calendar, Sanus helps you identify early signs of burnout. Monitor meeting frequency, duration, and overall workload to spot employees who might be overextending themselves. This proactive approach allows you to take timely action, offering support where needed and ensuring your team remains healthy, motivated, and productive. Optimizing workflows is not just about cutting down on meetings, it's about ensuring that every meeting serves a purpose and contributes to your team's goals. Sanus leverages data from Google Calendar and Zoom to help you create more efficient schedules. By analyzing meeting patterns, you can identify which meetings are essential and which could be streamlined or even eliminated. This thoughtful approach to scheduling reduces meeting overload, freeing up more time for your team to focus on their core responsibilities. The result? A more efficient, productive, and satisfied workforce. A happy team is a productive team, and with Sanus, creating such an environment is easier than ever. Data-driven insights allow you to understand your team's needs, optimize their workflows, and foster a culture of collaboration and efficiency. When your employees have the tools they need to succeed, they are more engaged, motivated, and ready to deliver their best work. Sanus helps you build this foundation, ensuring that your teams are not only productive, but also satisfied and fulfilled in their roles. Happy teams lead to better outcomes, driving your organization towards greater success. Are you ready to take your attendance management to the next level? Visit our YouTube channel to learn more about how Sanus can transform your workplace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on optimizing your business operation.